Please greet Mr. Patrick Simmons. Welcome. Nice to see you again. It's been a few years. Patrick, would you please, let's see, start all the way over on the end and work our way slowly about here. Your colleagues.
Dale Ackerman over here on the keyboard.
Dale, nice to have you with us. On bass?
Steve Bennett.
Thank you, Steve. Sir, you've got to stand up, otherwise the family at home's never going to see you.
This is Jimmy Fox.
Thank you very much. And lastly.
And this is Jeff Bunes.
Jeff, you're the closest. Nice to have you here, sir. Many, many moons ago, we participated in a New Year's Rockin' Eve that was a stellar lineup of the Doobie Brothers, Beach Boys, Chicago, Olivia Newton-John, Herbie Hancock. If I forgot anybody, it was a long night.
Yeah, a very long night.
You know, have you survived the ordeal of being on the road and with the Doobies all these years?
I'm still here.
How'd you keep your sanity?
I didn't. I lost it a long time ago.
I mean, did you have a home? Because, I mean, you guys worked all the time.
We lived at the Holiday Inn most of the time.
That was your home. Just drop me a line anywhere in the world. No, seriously, do you have a place where you go?
Yeah, I have a home in Santa Cruz.
What do you do in your spare time?
What do I do? Let's see. Probably one of my foremost hobbies is motorcycling. I like to ride and repair old motorcycles.
You collect them?
I've got a few old jalopies that I...
You're mechanically inclined as well as having a modicum of musical talent.
Yeah, I like to get greasy between tours and...
Keeps your mind clear. Did you write all these songs in this album?
I wrote 5 of the tunes with a friend of mine named Chris Thompson, who used to sing for Manfred, or he still does. He sings for Manfred Mann. He did a tune.
Is he the guy you ran into running on the
Yeah.
road? Yeah, I read that story somewhere.
Oh, you did?
Are you a runner, too?
I like to work out, run, anywhere from a couple miles to 5 miles a day
He
usually.
was, what, puffing alongside you one day and you say you want to write songs? Is that how it worked out?
That was pretty much it. He's from New Zealand, and the New Zealanders like to run, and we were like the only two low-life rock and rollers on the road that were into working out. And
Good, clean living. How do you like being on your own?
it's a little scary. I loved working with the band.
You're still friends.
We're still good friends. I do miss those guys, but we all had to go our different directions and explore new avenues.
A frantic man over here waving at me. What is the next piece of business here? What are we doing?
I'm going to do a Huey Lewis tune by Huey Lewis and the News. This is a song called Don't Make Me Do It.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Patrick Simmons.